Hey friends, Zen Kuna here. So I'm going to let you see how I go about creating sequences. So just the other day I posted where we come from here to a diagonal clean. Got it in the rack position. We're going to just lift it up so that the kettlebell's on top of the shoulder. As we rotate, we do a press, we come back down. So that's the form that I showed. That's the sequence. So I'm going to show you now how I extend sequences. So here we go. Okay, so that was the sequence before. Now we're going to extend it. We're going to do a punch and a rip. Then we're going to do a snatch. Now, we're in the snatch position. We're going to come back down to the rack as we take a step back. Then we're going to go ahead and do a twisting forward as we press overhead. Back up, bring it back down. Then we're going to come out to the side, do the same thing. All right, now let's continue on with building the sequence. We'll stick a leg out. Then let's bring a leg over. Make sure you're still well over your shoulder on this hand here, so you don't want it to be stuck way out. And we'll knock out a couple. Oh, let's do 3. All right, then we're going to stick it leg back out and knock out a few. And then bring that back in, up, down, and put it down. So that's one round on one side. So what I'm going to do is just start from right here and just take it, get myself back up and start the whole thing over again.